Have you ever wondered if Moka, that popular mobile app for savings and investments, actually invests your money? It's a question that's been circulating in the financial community for quite some time. Let's dive in and explore the truth behind this intriguing query. Moka has gained immense popularity in recent years, offering a convenient platform for individuals to save and invest. Its user-friendly interface and attractive features have made it a go-to choice for many. But as the app's popularity has grown, so too has the skepticism surrounding its investment practices. Addressing the core question, so, does Moka invest your money? Well, the short answer is, it depends. While Moka doesn't directly invest your funds in stocks, bonds, or other traditional investment instruments, it does offer a unique approach to investing. Moka's investment strategy revolves around the concept of dollar cost averaging, DCA. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's current price. By doing so, Moka aims to reduce the impact of market volatility and potentially increase your long-term returns. How does DCA work with Moka? When you invest through Moka, your funds are pooled together with other users' money. Moka then invests this pooled capital into a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs are investment funds that track a specific index, such as the S&P 500. Benefits of Moka's investment approach. Moka's investment approach offers several benefits. Diversification. By investing in ETFs, Moka provides you with exposure to a wide range of assets, reducing your risk. Accessibility. Moka makes investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their investment experience or financial knowledge. Convenience. The app's user-friendly interface and automated investment process make it easy to start and maintain your investment journey. Affordability. Moka's low fees and minimum investment requirements make it a cost-effective option for investors. Addressing concerns and misconceptions. While Moka's investment strategy offers several advantages, it's important to address some common concerns and misconceptions. Risk. Investing always involves risk, and Moka is no exception. While DCA can help mitigate some of the risks associated with investing, there's no guarantee of profits. Returns. Past performance is not indicative of future results. While Moka's investment strategy has shown promising results in the past, there is no guarantee of consistent returns. Liquidity. Your investment in Moka may not be as liquid as investing in individual stocks or bonds. It may take some time to withdraw your funds, especially during market downturns. Is Moka right for you? Whether Moka is the right investment platform for you depends on your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to start investing, Moka can be a good option. However, it's essential to do your own research and consider other investment options before making a decision. So, to answer the question we posed at the beginning, does Moka invest your money? While Moka doesn't directly invest your funds in traditional investment instruments, it does offer a unique approach to investing through dollar cost averaging and ETFs. Whether this strategy is right for you depends on your individual circumstances and investment goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.